Yeah.
That's pretty clean too. This is different.
A little different.
Bike.
Yeah.
He can slash him up, or slash him down, or slash him out.
Yeah, I think he's gonna probably do it this way.
That's
I like
the
that
sick
look.
way. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
which you do a lower? That's
Yeah,
the way
I like this
like
look.
it that way. So, you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
What is this?
New tip.
New tip?
Yeah.
He's
Like that? Or like that?
I think
Whichever
like
way
this.
you want.
For reals?
Yeah, I think leather.
You can go out too.
It's gonna be louder this way instead of pointing it down.
Oh, yeah.
If you want it louder, I mean, I think pointing it up.
No, it's already loud with the baffles.
Yeah,
But that's the first one. I have to.
that's what makes a difference.
I have to take pictures of it. So.
Yeah, I just need some Loctite, and I think he's getting new bolts right now. So.
There you go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, Jose's helping you?
Yeah.
Just for shits and giggles.
Just for shits and giggles. That's another option. When you do your wheelies, it'll help.
A little bit of red.
A little bit of red. And you put the red on because of the heat.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes, and vibration. You want it to secure.
Secure.
Gotta hold this at it. Okay, thank
Damn. Don't look too bad like that either. No?
I think I'm gonna stick with it the way we had it.
Yeah, this one looks better. Better angle. You're probably gonna have a different tone on the bike too, Larry.
Yeah, I'm real curious to see it.
Nice little red on there
Red. For the heat.
for the heat and vibration. So you want stuff backing out. Anything on the Harley gets loose.
That's fucking me.
Yeah, it's a little bit different.
These quiet baffles is too loud.
No, I like the loud baffles.
Neighbors are really going to hit you now, man. Shit.
You got traction control on, so it's like stopping if you're going. When it hit right there. Take it off. I'd rather do like a burnout or something. Go for it.
Go for it, yeah.
Yeah? Orange cool with it?
Huh?
They're cool with it?
Oh, yeah. Real cool. So here, put it right here for me, and then I'll take a few pictures of it, okay?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Put it right on the concrete, just right here.